The Singer Promise sewing machine comes with an option of 13 different stitches that are available. The most common stitches that are used are the straight stitches, and here we can see they are slightly different by offering slightly different stitch lengths. The first one has the shortest stitch length, and that is perfect for delicate or thin fabric. The second one, the medium length stitch, is best used for a bit thicker material, and the longest stitch length is best used for thicker material like denim, minky, fleece and flannel. Following the straight stitches, we have 3 zigzag decorative stitches, and they are just literally for decoration, and you can just use the different widths depending on which you would prefer. Then we have the satin stitch, and this one is perfect if you are doing applique. The next 2 stitches are for sewing a blind hem. The first option is best used for stretchy material, and the second option is best used for woven fabric. Now we have an overlock stitch, and it does look very similar to the blind hem stitch, and the way you can tell the difference is the overlock stitch always has the triangle pointing to the right. The overlock stitch is best used to prevent fraying of your material. The next option is the mending stitch and can be used for mending holes. This one is just another decorative stitch that can be used. The final stitches on the dial are all in blue, and sewn together combined with the buttonhole foot, they sew the perfect buttonhole. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you are, this is part of a series on the Singer Promise sewing machine. I have linked in the description the playlist for all the other videos that I have made. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.